All right, so I'm super excited right now because I'm sorry it's been a while for YouTube, but life has been lifing. All right. Anyways, super excited because I have a package that came in. Been wanting to do it for my Mark II in a while, the yellow Mark II that's here in Japan. I'm going to show you in a sec what it is. Well, you'll see the box. I'm just going to show you real fast. All right, so you can see what we have here. Don't mind those. Yeah. Anyways, boxes from Zero. Oh, let me cover that up. I'll probably just blur it out or something. But good old boxes from the homes at 09. If you're not aware, I am a dealer for them out here in Okinawa, Japan. There's another dealer in mainland Japan, Ren Chaser. I'll tag him or something down here. But either one of us, you could definitely get the goodies from them. You know, the boys over there at 09. But gonna open this up. Maybe not show you guys today. We'll see, because I'm not putting it in the car right now. But yeah, I gotta go upstairs in a bit. We'll see. I'll just put it in the video. But yeah, we're gonna go in there now and see what we got. And my bad for having the camera so close to my face. It's been a while. Just bear with me, all right? I'm trying to live like all of us are, right? Okay, so we're here. First thing first. Oh, I didn't actually split this one open. What a dummy. Give me a sec. All right, so it's some YouTube magic that took you a quick. Ooh, oh, look at the goodies. Oh, I like these. I like these. Oh my gosh. All right, so put these in the side real quick. Like I said, shout out to 09. I just want to show you guys some of the things that are in here. Bushing kit. Oh wow, this is oh, tie rod kit too. Oh, so this is the AK-49 kit for sure. There we go. Tie rod ends, bushing kit, sick. Okay. I feel like there's another one under. Yeah. Okay, so we have more stuff under here, but that's just a quick look at what's here. Just gonna rip this open real fast. Curious, I want to see as well. There we go. Ooh, full bushing kit. Look at that. Boom. Okay. For now, I'm just gonna cover this up, just so you guys can see what's available. You know, I should stop waving this around. But yeah, give me a sec. Now I have this one open this way because my stuff is here. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna try this real quick. Ooh. Okay, this probably gives you a hint of what it is in here. But I took a quick peek at it earlier, and you ready? Oh my gosh, yes, there you go. The quality was terrible earlier. Oh, let me get this out. Stop putting this. All right. So if you don't know what this is, it's turbo. Okay, so I didn't fully open it up yet. I will soon, but this is not just any old turbo. This is actually a bolt-on turbo kit from 09 in collaboration with Spectrum Motorsports, which actually makes turbos as well. So bolt-in, I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a better video of it, but bolts into the OEM position and comes with proper line kit and all the odds and ends you need in order to run this. But really excited to throw this in here. I'll get more videos and everything. Yeah. All right, what's going on, guys? It's been a while, especially in this kind of this scenario, but at home right now, working on trusty old Mark II. I had it for a couple of years in Okinawa. We're actually going to put on a 09 turbo kit, which is right here. Mine is this is actually 6 boost. Really awesome exhaust, and I've seen people use it on different applications, and it sounds really great. Well, here you guys can see this is the 09 turbo kit. 409R, which was specifically made through Spectrum for Series 9, and it's definitely a sick kit right here. The blade in there. That's a joke. Don't mind that. But it's internally gated or actuated and everything. Pretty sick. Stock downpipe. Bolts. Minus this right here. This whole thing is a kit. Minus this here, which is the 6-boost manifold. And with that, there's the, of course, the pod filter, the charge pipe, and then the inlet pipe to the intercooler from the turbo, which will come from here. Of course, the charge goes here. The drain, oil drain right here, that adapter goes to the oil drain. The oil pan. Of course, the bottom of the turbo for the drain. The feed line, all AN. The adapter that goes to the block. Then the one water line here. Actually, no, it would be two. Sorry about that. I was tripping. But 2 water lines here. And then the crankcase breather lines, which are right here. That goes to these AN bones that is sick. Welded on there. They make the inch bay look really nice. Gaskets. A couple of. All right, so in case no one's familiar, this is the stock setup here, minus my J-pipe. Well, it was not here. I got the J-pipe delete. So this is the stock heat shield, which also needs to get cleaned up. Definitely gonna be doing that. Right now we got the charge pipe off so far, or the suction. Sorry, I kept saying suction charge pipe. The one that goes to the turbo here, the pipe that goes there, which is this one I had in the car right there. That is a suction pipe that goes in the turbo. The charge pipe is this one here, which is going to be replaced with that one right over there, blocked by the air filter. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just showing a quick look at what it looks like in its quote unquote stock. Okay, so right now we're going through the hardware, getting turbo ready to go on the manifold, all the nice bolts and stuff they have here, with gaskets. Really awesome to do that. And got someone here. How's it going, CJ?
What's up, man? How are you looking? Looking good so far. Just trying to take down the bolts right now.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, so those are in there right now, getting torqued up and getting ready. You can see how much space and clearance it actually has, where the bottom is easily accessible with sockets. And I try to get a good view of it. Sockets go under there, and then a ratcheting wrench would be perfect, but it can go here really simply. So shout out for the 6-boost for that, making it easier and having good planning involved in that. But once that's bolted up, I'm gonna put the, well, that's the old turbo there. Well, covered it a bit, but old turbo there, trash. Might just actually high flow it, we'll see. But the one right there, ready to go. Well, in a sec. Okay, so got the old turbo's right here, of course, and that looks all nasty. Look at that compared to the Series 9 turbo. Oh man, this thing's gonna be a monster. But so turbo here, and I did something a little bit different, where I have a screamer pipe on, which pretty much has a separate exhaust pipe where the wastegate opens, which is here. I should have actually did it before, but I can't really show you on that one at this point. But screamer pipe is going to sound really crazy for sure, and all the bolts with the gasket in there fits perfect with the studs as well. It was definitely easier to do it than the stock ones. It's kind of annoying, but I get this inside of the engine bay. Oh, there we go, right there. All right, so got the turbo pretty much disassembled. No. All right, so just to point out something very convenient that Series 9 did, is they had it come with extra studs that came in the bag of course, the hardware to get the turbo kit together, which is where you see these already at now. There were 4 ones I wasn't sure where they went to, but the only thing I could think of was this for the O2, which it fits in properly, and the other for the mount that comes with the stock on the stock turbo. So that's pretty sick. That's a shout out to it. Gotta give credit where it's due, and that's definitely a plus right there. Like they thought of everything. All right, so boom. This is pretty much how I'm gonna have them set up. I'm not gonna lie. Before I give these wires to you, I should have put them under here on one of them, but this is all good. It's all good. I'll figure out a way. These two. I should have put them inside first. I can pull that out and do it, but just so that's hidden. Be live. All right, so excuse the mess, but turbo is fully in. I got the 6-piece manifold, like I said before. The Series 9 turbo in there. It's a mess, but making it work right now. Got to put a piping feed here and everything. We're gonna do the first crank. We got the oil feed primed and everything. Make sure oil's coming out of there, so that's good. No oil on the bottom coming out. All right, but I'll do the first start. Oh, igniter. Take one. All right, take two. All right.